Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get rid of background noise in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log in, or if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to remove any background noise we might be having in our tracks. The first thing you want to do is click the plus button right here in the middle part of the screen at the bottom part, and after clicking plus, it's going to open up this new menu page where we can get started with either importing a new file, recording ourselves, and so on. So you want to go ahead and open up your track where you want to remove the background noise from. So as you can see, I'm going to open up this track right here, and after opening it up in the studio, it's going to look like this, where we will be able to see our track and our track name next to it. And now we can get started with editing it. So basically, let's say this is the track that we want to remove the noise from. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and click on the track you want to do. So after clicking on it, it's going to open up this new options, and you want to click the three dots that appear. After clicking on the three dots that appear, it's going to open up this new menu of all the options that you can use for your track, and guys, one of them is called denoise. So you want to use the denoise option, and after clicking on denoise, this is now going to remove any background noise that you might be having from your track, and now you can go ahead and take a new listen to it and see how it sounds. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.